and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today is so special because I'm making one of my absolutely favorite cards to make. It's called a square circular card. It looks like this and opens like this. Let's make it. Hi guys, so this is all you'll need to make your square circular Christmas card. I'm going to show you how to make all the parts for it. So let's get started. So we're going to start with the black pieces of paper. So you'll need four pieces of black or any color you'd want cardstock. And what we're going to do is we're going to score these down the middle. So I'm using my scoreboard, but you guys who don't have a scoring board know what to do. These are all cut 8 by 8. I'm going to score it 4 like this, and I'm going to continue scoring. What we're going to do is we're going to cut one square of this off, leaving about 1/4 of an inch or maybe a 1/2 of an inch. Let me measure it and let you know. Yeah, maybe a 1/2 of an inch in to put it all together. So to cut off, I'm gonna put it in my paper cutter because this is the straightest cut you'll get. So I want you to put it in your paper cutter and cut down till you get to that 4 mark. Just like so, and then fold it back and put it in your paper cutter like this. Measure it up until it gets to 4 1/2 and cut that part off so it'll look like this. So you want your piece of paper looking like this. All right, and I'm going to continue doing all of them just like that now. Since we have our cutter out, I'm gonna also cut these 4 diagonally. So I'm gonna put it in my cutter like this. Make sure I line it up from the top and the bottom to get a perfect cut, and I'm gonna continue cutting. You see, so that's perfectly cut like this. If you have patterns, make sure your pattern is cut the same way. So I don't want to cut this one like this and this one like this. So I'm going to make sure and cut this the same way I cut the other one. Yeah. All right, let's put this card together now. So you're going to take these and basically cut a little, just snip a corner off the end so we can stick it down like so. So this is not something you measure. You're literally just snipping a corner off like this. And I'm going to continue doing this. Now it's the fun part. What you're doing is you're taking this piece of paper like so and sticking this on the outside of this. So it's going to be stuck like so. Before I do any sticking, I'm going to do some scoring so that my paper is scored and ready to be folded when I'm all done sticking everything. And so also that I make sure that it's all scored on the side that I want scored. So now what I want to score the paper now. So I'm going to take out my scoring tool and a ruler, and you're scoring this piece here. The piece that has no fold like this and no fold like this, because we're going to stick these together. All right, so these are all going to be stuck together. We're going to score this. So I want you to take your ruler and put it down like this, and you're scoring from the center here to the end here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now glue this like so. So you're taking this end here and you're gluing it on the outside of this like so. All right, you'll take every end and glue it to the outside like so. Then we're going to stick it together. All right, so let's get started. Okay, now that we have all 4 of our pieces, well, it is 4, I just put these 2 together to stick together. So now that we have all 4 of these pieces put together, we're going to stick it down like this and leave these here. And we're going to stick all of these to each other. So you're going to put a whole bunch of glue. And you're making sure and you're gluing this all the way to the edges and really, really well. A lot of glue. I mean, this card has to be really well stuck together, right? Then you're going to take this one and you're literally going to mark it up on it like this and stick it together. And you're going to hold it down. And you're making sure it's all perfect. Like the lines have to be perfect. There can't be no mistakes. I'm serious in this card. All right. So let's go. And I'm going to keep doing this until they're all stuck together. All right, so we have this really cute card. It looks like a little square, and then you open it and it looks like it opens like a circle, which is why they call it a square circular card. And now we're going to decorate it, which is the fun part. So I'm going to put on all these pieces in the card to make it look really gorgeous. Now, I can't finish this card for you because, as I said, this card is going to take a lot of personal pictures. But what I can do and what I will do is at the end of the video, I'm going to show you one I did for myself, for my husband, so you can see, because I don't mind sharing our pictures with you. All right. So we're going to start with the front and I'm going to stick everything down and you would see. So this is the card finished, basically finished. I still have to put all the information in here and let me show you how it can look when it's all done. So this is one that I did for my husband for Valentine's Day. It is so cute. So you have it like this, and I move this one, you open it like this, and then you decorate the insides. So you don't leave them blank like that. I'm going to decorate that one, but I can't show you the pictures. So this is me and my husband, and what do? You'll write things in here like sentiments. See, and you'll cut it out, make it look really, really cute. Share all your favorite pictures. And this is so beautiful because this can be used as like a little photo album. It could stay on top of someone's desk. It stay on top of many places in the house. What I normally do is I normally put a tiny little close clip so you can clip it closed, and it clips really cute with that close clip. Like no one has complained about that close clip as yet. And it's really pretty. So I close it and then that's the card. This one, it's the same. It's just so cute. I mean, and you can use this for any occasion whatsoever. You open it and you snap it closed with this. And it looks so pretty from this way. It looks so pretty closed like this. It's really a gorgeous card. Can you imagine receiving this for Christmas with all, it's so beautiful. So today we made this card. It's so cool. We decorated it, and yes, so you saw the inside of this one. And it is such an awesome card to make. It looks complicated, but I hope I broke it down well enough for you to know what to do and how to make it. And if you make it, let me know in the comment section. And I do hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas this year and stay crafty, my friends.